back to the channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. So y'all, Vlogmas is finally over. As you all may or may not know, Vlogmas takes a whole lot of time and a whole lot of work. I can kind of get back to my normal life, but I know that I have kind of started something with Vlogmas with giving you videos every single day. So I am going to be more consistent. Vlogmas has definitely motivated me to be more consistent for the Jazzy Doll gang. If you have never done brows and you want to learn how to do brows, this video is very beginner friendly. All the products will be listed down below in the description box. If you have any questions, please ask me because I want to make sure that I answer all of your questions. Don't forget to like this video. Go ahead and like it before you even get into the tea, honey, because I don't want you to forget to like it. If you're not already subscribed, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, dolls, so we are gonna go ahead and get straight into this video. First things first, I am just brushing my eyebrow hairs straight up and kind of getting them ready to be shaped. I will tell you, ladies, before starting your brows, make sure that they have been cleaned, waxed, arch, however you clean your brows, whether it's threading as well. Make sure that you have a clean brow to start with. This is going to help you sculpt out your brows and really get that shape that you want. So we're going to use the Sephora Retractable Brow Pencil to fill in our brows. And I almost forgot to set my brows. I'm just using a regular face powder. You can use a face powder or any translucent powder to kind of mattify your brows. If you have oily skin, this is definitely a great step to take because you do not want those brows getting oily throughout the day, sis. Trust. So that's what I'm doing right here in this step. I'm just mattifying my brows with a face powder. And this is the actual face powder that I'm using. It's by Ruby Kisses. I can't think of the shade at the moment, but everything that I'm using will be down in the description box below. So I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this music, and everything that I'm using below, that I'm using will be in the description box below. So if you have any questions, please drop them below and I'll be happy to answer them. So enjoy the rest of this tutorial. Bye. So I am using a darker brow pencil on the wing part of my brow because I like how it gives it that gradient effect. I always sculpt out my brow with a lighter pencil, and then I go in on the tail end with a darker brow pencil. So that's why I'm using two different brow pencils. One is lighter than the other, and I use the darker one on the tail end.